Hello kids, how are you today? In Korea, we say 안녕하세요. In Japan, we say konnichiwa. In China, we say ni hao. And lastly, in Vietnam, we say xin chào. Today, we are going to read alphabet phonically and mouth exercise so that you're going to learn on how to have a right pronunciation. Let's start with the letter A. Sounds like ah, ah. This one is a big letter A and the small letter A. An example of this is anchor. Ah, anchor. Can I hear you say anchor? Anchor. Anchor. Very good. The next letter is B. It sounds like ba. Ba. You have to close your lips and say ba. Ba. Can I hear you say ba? Ba. Very good. This letter is a big letter B and a small letter B. Next, an example of this is broccoli. If you want to read this, is broccoli. 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 Can I hear it say broccoli? Very good. Nice. The next letter is C. Sounds like k. K. Can I hear it say k? K. Very good. An example of this is cantaloupe. K. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. The letter C has a big letter and a small letter. Very good. The next letter is D. Sounds like D. D. Can I hear it say D? D. D. You have to widen your mouth and your tongue at the back of your teeth like this. D. D. Can you do that? Okay, go. Widen your mouth. And then your tongue is in at the back of your teeth like this. And say D. D. Very good. This one is a big letter D and the small letter D. An example of this is D. D. Dwarf. Dwarf. Can I hear it say dwarf? Dwarf. Very good. Next letter is the letter E. Sounds like eh. Eh. Can I hear it say eh? Eh. Good. You have to widen your lips like this and open your mouth just a little. Open your mouth just a little. Widen your lips and open your mouth like you are smiling. And then say eh. Eh. It should be down. Eh. Very good. So an example of this is eggplant. Eggplant. Can I hear it say eggplant? Eggplant. Very good. The letter of this E is a big letter and this one is a small. Very good. Now you know what is the big letter and the small letter. The next letter is letter F. You see? This one is a big letter F and the small letter F. It sounds like so you have to close your lower lips. So this one is your lower lips. So you have to close it with your mouth like you're smiling. So you can feel the air comes out like this. So yes, very good. So can I hear it say? Yes, that's it. Very good. An example of this is, what's this? Yes, fire. So this one is, so you have to close your your lower lips like this. Then say fire. 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 Can I hear it say fire? Fire. Very good. The next letter is letter G. This one is a big letter G and the small letter G. It sounds like G. G. Can I hear it say G? G. Very good. You have to widen your lips and then say G. G. Good. That's good. An example of this is, what's this? Yes, a guitar. Say guitar. Can I hear it say guitar? Guitar. Very good. The next letter is H. It sounds like he. He. Can I hear it say he? He. Very good. This letter has a big H and a small H. An example of this is hamburger. No, it's not hamburger. It should be hamburger. He. So you have to open your lips, but not so wide like this. He. And then the air comes out. So he. He. It should be down. He. So when you read this, you have to say hamburger. Hamburger. Can I hear it say hamburger? Hamburger. Hamburger. Very good. That's it. So our next letter is I. This one is a big letter I and the small letter I. It sounds like E. E. Can I hear it? A? E. Very good. So you have to widen your lips like this. E. E. Very good. That's it. So an example of this is the, what's this? Oh, it's not a butterfly. All of this, it's called E. Insect. Say E. Insect. So can I hear it say insect? Insect. That's nice. Very good. This is not the butterfly or the worm. It's called insect. E. Very good. So the next letter is, the last letter for today is the letter J. So if you see the big letter J and the small letter J, so it sounds like J, J. Can I hear it say J, J, J? So you have to open your mouth a little like this. J, J. Very good. And then say J, J. Very good. An example of this is the... No, it's not a bad guy. Yes, he's a bad guy, but he is in the... Where? J. Jail. Very good. So say J. Jail. Can I hear it say jail? Jail. Very good. So, and that's it for today. I hope that all of you have learned the pronunciations of the letters from A to J. Thank you. And see you next time. Stay healthy. Stay at home. 안녕, sayonara. Zaijian and Tomviet.